Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to hide your shipping address on an Amazon wishlist. If you want to share your list while keeping your address private, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon and make sure you're signed into your account. At the top right corner, hover over Account and Lists. From the drop-down menu, find your wishlist under your lists and click on it. Once you're on your wishlist page, look toward the right side for the three dots or more option. Click it, then select Manage List to open your wishlist settings. Inside the settings window, look for the shipping address section. If you don't want an address associated with the wishlist, select None if that option is available. If you do use a shipping address for the list, review the third-party shipping agreement setting carefully. If your goal is to keep your address private, make sure you understand the information Amazon provides about this setting before saving your changes. Once you've reviewed your settings, click Save Changes. And that's it. You've updated your wishlist shipping settings and can now share your list while taking steps to protect your address. Remember, avoid posting your home address publicly when sharing a wishlist. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon and privacy guides. Thanks for watching.